welcome back to the channel. Another Saturday and another day in the cornfield. This has been the week. This week has been the Middle Tennessee District Fair. I've not been tonight. I'd rather be doing this. But if we get this next field we're going to start done in time, we may go to the tractor pull. Who knows? We'll bring you back when we get back to the field. Dylan Joyce, there's your red header. Eating the morning glories. Hopefully this is the last of the Pioneer corn. Well, I know it is. But we grew about 100 acres of Pioneer corn, 1494 or something like that. Be the last time we ever planted. I know some of y'all like it, but we're not impressed with it. Pretty good ears, but dang, some of them is five foot off the ground. And this is standing pretty good, but most of the tops are out on it. Just have to be in a good spot. He's getting us a soil test, so we'll see what it turns out to be. What's the moisture on it? 16.6. Good, good. Got a old Pioneer Field sign covering up the window there on the hopper extension. Seems to be working. Well, it's the same variety. Forward. Well, if you've been watching me for a while, they had the foundations dug to them first two houses, maybe laying blocks when I was planting this corn out here. I assume one day there'll be houses built over here. The man that owns it, he says there's not going to be any houses. He's not going to do nothing with it. But one day when he's gone, who knows what's going to happen. Land around here is getting so high you can't buy it to farm. Well, he's going a little faster today. 2.9. He can open this thing up and go at least another mile an hour faster. He's getting a pretty good bubble up there. For some reason my grain cart spout's not wanting to stay up. I'm having to lock the hydraulics in the float position, but we about had a catastrophe here. Well, the population here is a lot better than that last field. Well, I'm just going to hang out here for a minute and tell y'all a little story here. The The farm in the first two videos, that was a farm that my grandfather owned, and my dad's sister and her husband inherited it, and their name is Jim and Pearl Richardson. Well, this farm right here is known as the Jim Richardson farm. Different Jim Richardson, and there's a house on the property where his mother Pearl lived. So it gets kind of confusing sometimes when you talk about the Pearl Richardson farm or the Jim Richardson farm. So we call the one my aunt and uncle owns the McAfee farm, if that makes any sense. And that's because that's who my grandfather bought it off of, was McAfee's. And since this and a guy named Howard owns it, last name Howard, we call it Howard, but everybody else refers to it as the Jim Richardson field. Thought I'd share that with you. Well, silence on the CBs again, but I just had to look up and see him coming with a load of bubble up, so I'm meeting him over here. He got full quicker this time. Corn's really getting good out in the field, so I gotta get turned around and get a load. Looks like he had thought he had some calf corn, but he don't. I hollered at you on the CB.
Well, I didn't hear you again.
I just don't think I got good antenna or something.
You asked me if I was going to need you sooner, and I said yes.
Well, I didn't hear you. And my phone is about dead. I sent Greg there to my charger. Well, here's the dramatic part. We got to be dramatic in these videos. It is 2:47. The elevator closes at 3:05, excuse me. And it's an hour down there, so we got to get him loaded before they close. And they're also giving a chance of rain this afternoon. Last I looked, a big chance for tomorrow. So we're trying to get this little field done. I thought I'd add some drama to this video. Got a freaking maze here. Alright, I'm gonna put you down. See if we get this truck loaded. got Craig full. My chute, my auger thing is won't leak down on me. I'm having to hold pressure on it. I guess that'll be a Monday project. It's gonna be raining tomorrow, so I guess that's that. Take everything home tonight, and like I said, it won't rain tomorrow afternoon. On Sunday we're not going to work anyway, so I'm going to spend a little time cleaning this thing up and getting the windows clean for y'all so y'all can see better. But we are turning out some dust and some corn this year. I don't know if you can see it, it's trying to sprinkle a little rain, so maybe we'll miss it. Well, I'm sitting here waiting to catch another hopper full and scrolling through Facebook. I put a picture earlier today of a drone shot of her grain bins, and one of these grain bin painters said, you know, give me a chance to paint your grain bins. For all the non-farmers out there, the grain bin painters are about as persistent as these car warranty people. 2 or 3 show up every year, the same 2 or 3, and we tell them we don't want our bins painted, but yet they still come by every year. So now I think I'm friends with about 10 of them on Facebook, and they're pretty persistent. One day we'll have them painted. Well, I'm full. Probably another hopper. Craig will be full. Waiting on the trucks, trying to rain. I'm gonna throw the drone up. It's raining enough that we're going to have to quit, so we got to get all this stuff out of the rain, and we're going to call this video. I'm going to load what little I got onto the white truck here. And thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing and supporting the channel. Leave me a comment. God bless you, and we'll catch you on the next one.